Are you starting to feel like something's off in your relationship? Let's talk about 5 subtle but powerful signs your partner might be cheating on you. Be sure to watch till the end. Number 5 might surprise you. 1. Sudden change in behavior or routine. Your partner used to be predictable, but lately, things have changed. They start working late more often, disappearing without explanation, or even getting up and leaving the room when a text comes in. You might notice them suddenly guarding their phone like a top-secret file, changing passwords, or turning the screen away when you're around. It's not just about being busy, it's about being secretive. Emotional distance. One of the biggest signs of emotional cheating, or physical cheating, is emotional distance. If your partner is no longer present emotionally, stops asking how your day was, avoids deep conversations, or doesn't open up like they used to, something might be wrong. Cheating isn't always physical. It often starts with an emotional disconnect. 3. Overly defensive or accusatory. You ask a simple question like, "Where were you?" or "Who's that texting you?" and boom, they explode. Overreactions to normal questions can be a sign of guilt. In fact, some cheaters turn the tables and accuse you of being unfaithful just to throw you off. When defensiveness becomes the norm, not the exception, trust is breaking down. 4. Changes in physical intimacy. Your physical relationship may feel different. For some, cheating leads to a drop in intimacy. They're emotionally or physically invested elsewhere. For others, they might become suddenly more intense, maybe to cover guilt or to distract you. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, don't ignore it. 5. Unexplained expenses or new habits. New colognes, sudden fashion upgrades, secretive spending. These might not be random. If you're seeing receipts for restaurants you never went to, strange transactions, or gifts that aren't for you, that's a red flag. Some people even open secret accounts or lie about where the money is going. The truth often shows up in the financial trail. Bonus tip, trust your gut. At the end of the day, your intuition matters. If you feel like something's wrong, don't sweep it under the rug. Your gut often notices what your heart tries to deny. These signs don't automatically mean your partner is cheating, but they should prompt you to pause, reflect, and communicate. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more relationship insights. And tell us in the comments, have you ever experienced any of these signs in a past or current relationship? Remember, you deserve honesty, love, and respect. Don't panic. We'll show you how to overcome these warning signs and keep your marriage safe, strong, and rooted in trust. 1. Have the courage to talk honestly. Silence builds suspicion, but honest, calm, and loving communication opens the door to healing. Ask, "Is everything okay between us?" Or "Have you been feeling disconnected lately?" Don't accuse, express your feelings, and listen with empathy. Remember, communication is the bridge between misunderstanding and connection. 2. Rebuild emotional intimacy. When couples drift, it's often emotional before it's physical. Spend intentional time together again. Share your goals, fears, and thoughts like you did when love was fresh. Pray together, laugh together, and listen without judgment. Let your partner feel safe and seen again. 3. Set boundaries around technology and privacy. Phones, social media, and passwords shouldn't become tools of division. You both deserve privacy, yes, but not secrecy. Agree on mutual transparency, not because of control, but because of trust. A simple rule, if it would hurt your partner to see it, don't do it. 4. Get help. Don't be afraid of counseling. Many couples wait until it's too late. Don't. Christian or professional counseling can help you uncover root issues, deal with unforgiveness, and build healthier patterns. Sometimes, a third party can help you hear each other clearly. 5. Forgive and rebuild, not just fix. If cheating has happened, or even just the suspicion, healing will take time. Forgiveness is a process, not a one-time event. But if both partners are willing to fight for the marriage, it can survive, even thrive again. Remember, marriage isn't about being perfect. It's about being committed. God is the restorer. Ecclesiastes 4:12 says, "A cord of 3 strands is not easily broken." When God is part of your marriage, you're not fighting alone. Pray together. Invite the Holy Spirit to guide your healing. What the enemy meant to destroy, God can use to rebuild. What helped you restore trust in your marriage? Share your wisdom in the comments. Like and share this video to help someone else today. If this video blessed you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more real, honest content on relationships, faith, and growth. You can save your marriage, and it starts with a choice today.